जयतु जगदशेषं रञ्जयन् अञ्जनाद्रौ शुभगुणविभवेन श्रीमता विग्रहेण अनुकलमनुकम्पोद्वेलया लीलया च श्रुतिपरिषदपुंसाम् उत्तमश्रूयमाणः वन्दे श्रीनयनोत्पलस्य शिशिनं शेषाचलाधीश्वरं ब्रह्माद्यर्चितपादपद्मयुगलं लोकैकनेत्रोत्सवं वासिष्ठैः सनकादिभिर्मुनिगणैः संस्तूयमानं सदा भक्तानाम् अखिलार्थदायिनमहं श्रीवेङ्कटेशं गुरुम्। ओ नमो वेङ्कटेशाय। Dear devotees, from Thursday, July 25th to Sunday, July 28th, 2024, we are going to celebrate our 9th annual Brahmotsavam. Brahmotsavam means Lord Brahma have conducted the Brahmotsavams in Tirumala first time. Because of that, we call these Utsavams as a Brahmotsavam. The second reason is, once upon a time, for the demons and Devatas, there was a war. During that time, Lord Indra got a Brahmahatya dosham. To remove his Brahmahatya sin, Lord Brahma have performed these Utsavams. Because of that, we call the Brahmotsavam. That is the main meaning of the Brahmotsavam. On Thursday evening, we are going to celebrate the Ankuraropanam ceremony. We are going to start with the Ankuraropanam ceremony. During that, it's a seed sowing ceremony. Friday morning, we are going to do the Akalmasha Homa. It's a cleansing ceremony. Friday evening, we are going to do the Navasandhi. We are going to invite all the Devatas in a Vedic way to attend these Brahmotsavam. Then we are going to do the flag hoisting, Garuda Dvaja Arohanam. During that time, we are going to offer a Venpongal or Kattapongali to the Lord Garuda. Then we are going to distribute as a prasadam to all the devotees as well, whoever wants the new or good progeny. That's the main purpose of that Navasandhi and Dvajarohanam ceremony. After that, Friday evening, 8 o'clock, we are going to do the Seshavahanam ceremony, Seshavahanam procession. Then Saturday morning, we are going to have the Hanumantavahanam procession. Saturday evening, we are going to have the Unjal Seva or swing ceremony along with the Deepalankarana Seva. Then Saturday evening, the main Utsavam, Garuda Vahana Utsavam, that is the favorite vehicle of Lord Sriman Narayana or Lord Srinivasa. That Utsavam going to be held on Saturday evening. Then 28th, Sunday morning, we are going to do the Avbhrada Snanam, Abhishekam to the Utsavamurtis along with the Chakratalvar. Then we are going to do the Dvaja Avarohanam, Mahapurnahati Dvaja Avarohanam, and then Kumbharopanam. Then Sunday evening, we are going to do the Kalyanotsavam at 4 p.m. Then followed by Dvadasaradhanam. 12 times we are going to do a special puja. If there are any commissions or omissions during entire year pujas, to rid of that or to level it, we are going to offer a special puja. Each month signifies each puja 12. We are going to do total 12 pujas. That's called Dvadasaradhanam. Then Pushpayagam. If there are any doshas during the Brahmotsavam, to rid of that, we are going to conduct a Sri Pushpayagam. That is the final ceremony of the Brahmotsavam. It's a very auspicious program. So to participate in this program, so please all of you mark your calendars to participate in this program and come along with all your family and friends. Please inform to friends also the same message and then come along with the family and friends. And also our temple management have several opportunities to sponsor this program. They have arranged. So please contact our front desk or ec@svtco.org or communication@svtco.org to get more information regarding the sponsorship this puja. So please have that information, and then please contribute your support generously, and then please help us to get this program with grand success. So Mangalam Mahat. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्य परिपालयन्तान् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीन् महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः सोमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। येषामासीदानि वैगानसानां जन्मक्षेत्रे नैमिषारण्यभूमिः देवो येषां देवकी पुण्यराशिः तेषां पादद्वन्द्वपद्मं प्रपद्ये श्रियकान्ताय कल्याणनिधये धयेद्धिनां श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् भव्याय मौनिवर्याय परिपूराय महात्मने योगप्रभासमेताय श्रीमद्विगणसे नमः। लक्ष्मीवल्लभ संकल्प वल्लभाय महात्मने श्रीमद्विगणसे भूयात् नित्यश्री नित्यमङ्गलम्। स्वस्ति।